one thing that many people are surprised about when they first get here is the milk. This is milk. They don't refrigerate milk in the store. Now, once you open this up, then yes, you got to put it in the refrigerator. But this whole section here is milk. I guess they don't pasteurize it here, so they don't have to keep it cold. But the milk is really good. The quality is great, and they got all kinds of milk. They got almond milk, they got coconut milk, whole milk, lactose milk, milk that don't have lactose in it. So the milk is really, really good.